let me show you how you can use AI to generate images in Miro. So as you can see, once I'm in your Miro board, just simple look for the icon where it says image and icon. If you're not able to find it on the left, click the plus, and here you can find it. You can search for it, right? If you're not able to find it, use a search at the top and simple type in image, and you can find image and icon. Once you click on that, you will see that you can use AI to generate. So you can go ahead and just simple type generate. It's going to open up on the right hand side, and here you can just say whatever. So I can just say create a man riding a horse, for example, and you click and enter or whatever, and it's going to generate. It's going to show you that it's going to generate the image, and as you can see right there, it's currently generating. And once it's generated, you can go ahead and you can add that right into your canvas there. And so that's all you have to do. Let's just wait for the AI to do it, and then I'm going to show you how you can easily add that right into your design. And that's it. So you can see that it even generates 4 images. So what you want to do now, just simple select the image that you want. It generates 4. So it's just like a preview right now. So I will select, for example, this one here. I click on it, and as you can see, it is there. And it's going to basically add that for me. And then once you select the image that you want, just look to the top, and it's going to say apply to canvas. You click on that. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. So right now it applies all 4 images. And so if you want all 4, you can use it. Otherwise, the ones that you don't want, you can just simply click on them and delete them and keep the one that you want, resize it. And that's pretty much it.